Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your filing status on TurboTax. Whether you've recently gotten married, divorced, or experienced any life change that affects your tax situation, updating this information ensures your tax return is accurate and compliant. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access TurboTax by opening your browser and navigating to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your tax account, as this is where all your tax information is stored and managed. After entering your login details, you'll be directed to your TurboTax dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your tax-related activities. Once your account is fully loaded, you're ready to begin changing your filing status. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. This menu contains all the main sections of your tax preparation process. Click on My Info. This section houses all your personal tax information, including details about your employment, dependents, and filing status. Clicking this option will redirect you to a page displaying your current tax information. From here, take a moment to review your personal employment information displayed on the screen. You'll notice an option labeled Revisit next to your information. Go ahead and click on Revisit. This action will take you into the editing mode for your personal details. Initially, you'll be redirected to a page showing your personal information overview. Don't worry if it looks familiar, this is just the starting point for making changes. Scroll down on this page and click on Continue to proceed to the next section. Now you'll arrive at the page where you can actually modify your filing status. This is the crucial step where you'll select the status that accurately reflects your current situation. You'll see several options presented as radio buttons, including single, married, in registered partnership, divorced, legally separated, or widowed. Each of these statuses has different tax implications, so it's important to choose the one that correctly represents your marital and living situation as of the end of the tax year. Click on the radio button next to the filing status you wish to use. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue to save and retain the changes you've made. And that's it. You've successfully updated your filing status in TurboTax, ensuring your tax return reflects your accurate personal situation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.